Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Volvo XC90. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear like gloves and eye protection. Ensure both the dead Volvo and the assisting vehicle are completely turned off before proceeding. Locate the battery or designated jump points on your Volvo XC90, which are usually under the hood or in the trunk, depending on the model. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. Attach one red positive cable clamp to the positive terminal of the dead Volvo's battery. Then, connect the other end of the red positive cable to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. Next, connect one black negative cable clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal ground point on the dead Volvo, away from the battery. With the cables securely connected, it's time to start the assisting vehicle. Let its engine run for about 5 to 10 minutes to allow some charge to transfer to the dead Volvo's battery. After this waiting period, attempt to start your Volvo XC90. If it doesn't start immediately, wait another minute or two and try again. Do not crank the engine for more than 15 seconds at a time. Once your Volvo XC90 starts, carefully disconnect the jumper cables in the reverse order of connection. First, remove the black negative cable from the Volvo's ground point, then from the assisting vehicle. Next, remove the red positive cable from the assisting vehicle, and finally from the Volvo. Drive your Volvo for at least 20 minutes to help recharge the battery. It's wise to have your battery and charging system checked soon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.